Hello, hello. Today we have another experiment to do. And this experiment is so nice and easy. You need to ask your mom or your dad or an adult to help you, okay? Let's go. On your book, page 54, we have an experiment to see what we can do to avoid the apple to turn brown. If we cut the apple, because of the oxidation, it becomes brown. Did you know that? It also happens with pear. So, to do this experiment, you have to pick up one apple, cut in three parts. Three parts, okay? In one part, you are going to pour some orange juice. On the other slice, you're going to put some oil, okay? Can be olive oil or whatever oil you want. And in the other one, you're going to put some water. Then you have to wait for around 30 minutes, half an hour or longer. And then you're going to look and check which slice did become brown and which slice did not became brown. Still the same color it was before. This slice you had this slice you had lemon juice, or this slice you put some oil, or it was this slice where you put some water. Okay, do the experiment in your house and then you're going to tell me. Okay? This activity is super easy and fun to do. Okie dokie, my friends. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you later. Bye bye.